Right behind you, in your stocking. See the big red stocking? Over there by the TV. Right there. See it? Not the trash. Here's the kitty. Honey, look at behind you, the big stocking. Come here. Are you throwing that in the trash?
Yeah.
Right here, baby. Right there. See the stocking? It's falling down. Come out here.
Yeah.
Come out here, please. Right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
That's your stocking right there, that big thing.
Oh, yeah.
Are you just going to clean up first? What a nice boy. Honey, do you want your other presents?
Yeah.
You just want to ride your choo-choo? What else did Santa bring you? See right there by the TV? There, right there. Pick it up.
Mine?
Yeah, that's yours. Ooh, what's that? Here, sit down and open it. Sit down. Oh, baby, be careful.
Mine?
You threw some stuff. Turn around. Turn around. What is that?
Open, Mommy.
What is it? What's in here? Parker, there's more stuff in here.
Oh.
I don't know. What is it? Is that a choo-choo movie? Is that a Thomas movie?
Open it.
Here, we will later. Look, here's your cars. Is there anything else in there?
Stop.
Is there anything else in there?
Yeah.
What else is in there?
I know.
Holiday music 24/7 right through Christmas.
Turn it over. Dump it out.
Different communities and services. Washington's home for the holidays. 97.1.
Uh-oh.
What else
Stop.
is in there? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Here, can I help?
Sure.
Go.
Stick.
What is that?
I don't know. It's Roxy.
Who is that?
It's gone.
Who is that? Who's in there?
I want Jamie.
Is it Puffer Pete?
Open, Mommy. Open that.
What do you say? What do you say?
Please.
Sure.
Coco.
Who is this?
I want Jamie.
No, that's Puffer Pete. Yeah. Where's Mommy's stuff? stocking. Does Mommy have one too? Did Santa bring something for Mommy?
Yeah.
Where is it? Can you find it? I think it's over there.
Over here?
Is it over there? Look over there.
Yeah.
Back there by the TV. Is there a stocking for Mommy?
Yeah.
Over there.
Oh.
No, not there. Keep going.
Here.
Over that way.
Oh.
Hey, Parker, watch Mommy's finger. Watch. That way. Stand up. Yeah, go over there. Did you see it? Did you find it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Is that for Mommy? Oh, wow. What is this? Sit down. Here, you try it.
Yeah.
You squeeze his hand. Push his tummy.
Yeah.
Watch, Mommy. Let me show you. Watch. Push the buttons on your flashlight, Parker.
Good morning, I'm Dave Adler. Merry Christmas from Washington's Home for the Holidays. Here's Barry Manilow on 97.1 Wash FM.
It's Mickey Mouse!
Is it?
Mickey Mouse! It's Mickey Mouse!
It is.
Oh no!
You see?
Sure. Juice! But it's free!
Hey, Parker, look what else I have. Look, you turn it on right here. Okay? Here, you got 2 flashlights. You want Mommy to hold this one?
And Teacher say,
Slide this. There you go.
I see you.
No, don't sign it in people's eyes. That hurts.
I see
No.
you.
Not in Mommy's face. Shine it down, not in Mommy's eyes. All right. You like all your presents? Baby? Do you like all your presents? Okay. You can have both of them if you want. They can both be yours. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Parker, look at mommy. I love you. Hey, Parker, can you tell mommy I love you?
Bug lights are great for finding stuff in the dark.
Parker, can you say I love you? You're silly. Mwah. Kisses? Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh.